Good afternoon, K5, and welcome to our afternoon session of e-learning. Today, we are going to do skills, Unit 7, Lesson 5. But before we begin, you know what we have to do. That's right, K5, we have to change K5 students into linguists. So ready? Alakazam, alakazoo, K5 linguists. Are you? Psh. Kiss your brain once. Kiss your brain twice. Kiss your brain 3 times. Good job, boys and girls. So now, we learned a few new sounds. And one of these sounds was the CH sound. Can anyone do the CH sound? It's ch, ch. And one of the words, chip, chip. Good job, boys and girls. And the next sound that we learned was the SH sound. So we have the CH, which is ch, and the SH. What sound does that make, boys and girls? That's right, linguists. It's shh, shh. Great job. And then what did we learn on Friday? There we are. It's the TH sound. And what sound does that make? Th, th. But surprise, boys and girls, guess what? This TH has another sound. Okay? These two letters can make 2 sounds, and I'm going to tell you what they are in a minute. So let's review. We have ch, chip, sh, ship, and th, thin, thin. Good job, boys and girls. So let's review our segmenting and sound spelling. Here we have the SH sound. Is it at the beginning or at the end? That's right, boys and girls, at the end. So let's see what this word is. Ready? We have this letter. What letter is that? W. And what sound does it make? W, w. So our first sound is w. Then we have our vowel, which is a, w, a. And then we have the SH sound. Who remembers what the SH sound says? That's right. Shh. How many sounds do we hear? W, a, sh. Wash. Ah, that's the word. Wash. Wash. Let's try these words. Ready? For a symmetry and sound review. We have the first letter. That's right, S. And what sound does it make? S, s, s. Next letter. What sound does it make? K, k. What letter is it? That's right, boys and girls. It's the letter K. And I for the letter I, and P for the letter P. How many sounds do we hear? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What word do we have? Let's try it out. Skip. Skip. Yes, skip. How many of you like to skip on a sunny day? I know I do. Next word. Let's try this one. Ready? We have K, L, A. We have the letter C that has the K, K sound. What letter is that? That's right, boys and girls. It's the letter L for L. And we have A, K, A, K, A. How many sounds? 4. That's right, boys and girls. 4. So let's put it together. It's K-O-F. cloth. Cloth, like the tablecloth that mommy puts on top of the table when you eat. Excellent. And the next word, let's try this one. Oh, this one has how many? Let's see. We have the letter S that has the S sound. P, S, P. I, the letter I. L for the letter L. T for the letter T. Sp, sp, il, t. Spilt. How many sounds do we hear, boys and girls? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that correct? 5. Yes. Let's see. Spilt. Spilt. Great job, boys and girls. Just like the book that you read last week. Spilt. It looked like spilt. Yeah. Spilt milk. Okay, boys and girls. Now, the new sound for TH is called the voice sound. The voiceless sound is the th sound, like thin, thin. But the voiced sound is the then. If you put your hands right on your throat, your fingertips, say thin, you can hardly hear your neck vibrating, your throat vibrating. But if you say the word then you can hear it vibrate. So those are the different sounds of the TH. On the class story, boys and girls, moms and dads, K5, I have posted 2 videos that have the sound of the voiceless TH, which is the th, and the voiced TH, which is the th. Again, put your fingers on your throat and say the word thin, thin. You can't hear your voice vibrating. But if you say the word then, you can hear it vibrate. So check out the videos. So let's have some fun with our pocket chart, doing a few of our words. Ready? Now, let's try this word. We have the th, I, What does that word say? In, thin. Put your hands on your throat, boys and girls, and let's say it. Thin, thin. Okay? So, if this is thin, your throat's not vibrating. But what about this word? Ready? Let's try this word. We're going to try. We have the TH. I'm going to put an A there. And I'm going to put a T. Okay, what does that word say, boys and girls? Okay, linguists, you ready? Put your hands on your throat. Let's try it. At, that. Now, don't you hear your voice vibrating in your throat? Isn't that great? Let's try one more word, okay? So, if we have this word, I'm going to put ready? What word is that? The. Don't you hear your voice vibrating? The. Now let's try this. Those. Your voice is vibrating again. Yes, it is. The O's. Those. Okay? All right, boys and girls, like I said, check out the links that I have put on your class story, and it will give you a clearer picture on how to use the voiced TH and the voiceless TH. Good job, boys and girls. Next, here is our worksheets for today. You are going to write the T and the H, finger space, T and the H, and finger space, T and the H, finger space. And you will continue doing so. And over here, boys and girls, you are going to see which is the voiced TH and the voiceless TH. For instance, we have that. Would it go over here or here? We have like the z sound. If that, you hear the vibration, it would go right here. That. So you would write T, H, A, T. That. And over here, bath. You can put your hands on your throat while you say the word. Bath. Does it make a z, have a vibrating sound or not a vibrating sound? It has a non-vibrating sound, so you will put bath here. Okay? And then we have a letter for mom and dad to help you. So let mom and dad, this can be completed whenever you're done. And we have the next page right here. And this, you have to put a line next to the picture. So read the word and then match it to the picture. Moth. Moth. Is this a moth? No. 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 Is this a moth? Yes, it is. So you would draw the line from here down to here. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember, happy reading, happy writing, and don't forget to do your activities. We miss you guys, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, linguists.